Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. Happy Friday. I just got home from Walmart. I did get a couple things from Price Chopper as well, so I'm just going to show you those couple things. In this haul from Walmart, I spent $100 on the dot, and at Price Chopper, I spent $20. No, I'm sorry, $12. So $112 for groceries for the week. I'm going to start over here today. I got some of these Fruit Shoot Hydro waters. They're 0 sugar. And this is the raspberry and apple flavor for Grady. I got some Oreo packs. I liked these because they only have 2 cookies per pack, and a lot of the ones I saw had like 6 cookies per pack. So these are just a much better portion to send, you know, as a snack for my son or my husband. I just don't like the ones with 6 cookies in them. I feel it's too much. I got a big thing of romaine. I've been loving romaine lately and going through about 3 large hearts a week. I got a gallon of water for my coffee. I grabbed some Smart Balance brand cholesterol-free vegetable oil because I have to do some frying. So I wanted to get a little bit healthier of an oil. I got some Tostitos medium queso. I've tried a few different brands and I like this one the best. I was not all that impressed with the Newman's one. I really like this one the best for a store-bought one. I got a big bag of shredded Sargento cheddar cheese, a couple pie crusts because I want to make some quiche. I got some Tricolor Wild Wonder tomatoes. I got a head of red cabbage because I want to make a red cabbage slaw this week. I got some green onions. I got some Baby Bella mushrooms, some carrots. These are the matchstick ones to put in that red cabbage slaw. I also grabbed this Man's Family Favorites shaved Brussels sprouts. I absolutely love Brussels sprouts. I got these Entenmann's limited edition mini pecan tarts, so they're like mini pecan pies. I thought that would be good this time of year. I got some extra large sweet and salty pretzel peanut and chocolate granola bars for my husband's lunches. Some of these Good Thins rice veggie blend crackers. I've talked about these before. I really like the texture of them, and I also like the beet ones as well if you're looking for like a little bit healthier of a cracker. I got some cinnamon swirl quick bread. I've been liking this particular brand, the Pillsbury quick bread. I made pumpkin muffins last week for some food prep, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same with these for in the next couple weeks for food prep, because it's just really easy to have muffins to grab for breakfast or pack in my husband's lunches, that kind of thing. I grabbed some more corn tortillas, which I'm going to be frying up for a recipe. I got some peanut butter and chocolate Muddy Buddies. Some roasted red pepper multi-grain Tostitos. I thought that would be really good with the queso for football on Sunday. Got some Hormel pepperoni for snacking. I make, you know, little pizzas with them, all different things. Some bananas, some asparagus for a dinner, an avocado. I've been liking that on salads lately. I got a couple of these Hormel Natural Choice snack packs for my husband's lunch. This is the chicken cheddar, and I think this one has chocolate covered almonds. And then I also got him the uncured pepperoni, cheddar, and crackers for a little snack as well. Some cream of chicken soup for a recipe. I also got at Walmart, they had a clearance section. It must have been like leftover back to school supplies, but this was $1 for 4 one subject notebooks, and it said the original price was like $2.50, so that was a good deal, $1 for those. I always need notebooks for YouTube video ideas to write down, so I grabbed those. I got some Canada Dry Blackberry Ginger Ale for my husband, some Magic Hat number 9 to put in the fridge in the basement for football when people come over. My husband likes this beer as well. This is kind of local to us from Burlington, Vermont. And then at Price Chopper, I got some fresh Vienna bread from the bakery. It was still nice and warm when I got it. It was on sale for $1.99 a loaf. And then also at Price Chopper, the main thing I went for are these pork chops. I just prefer the meat at Pork Chops. I prefer the meat at Price Chopper over Walmart. I just think it's better quality. So I got the bigger package because it was $1.99 a pound. So I got 7 or 8, I can't tell from this angle, 7 or 8 large bone-in pork chops. So I'll split these up and get 2 full dinners out of these for me and my husband. And this is everything I got for the week. I will show you now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, meal plan for the upcoming week. One night I'm going to do some Oscars. We got some Oscars Smokehouse. It's like a very famous meat house here up in the north. So we got some fresh smoked kibasi. So I'm gonna slice that up and make a pasta bake. I have a bunch of pasta bake recipe videos on my channel, so I'll link those below. It's like a one dish meal. I'll make a salad or veggies on the side, probably a salad because more than likely I'll throw veggies in the pasta bake. One night I'm gonna do a creamy crock pot pork chop recipe over rice or potatoes, which is why I got those pork chops. And I actually will be filming a cooking video on this recipe because it's really good. So you guys will see that probably in a couple weeks because I have to film and edit it, and I have other videos that have to go up before that. And I'll probably serve that with asparagus or green beans or some kind of hot veggie. I'm gonna do shrimp tacos. I did not do them last week. They were on my meal plan last week with the chimichurri sauce. I ended up doing beef tacos using the corn tortillas. That's why I got more corn tortillas. So I am gonna put the shrimp tacos back on the menu this week, and I'm gonna serve them over or on the corn tortillas with chimichurri sauce, which I have to figure out how to make. I've never made it from scratch before. So that's something I've got to tackle this week. And of course, you guys will see that in an upcoming What's for Dinner video as well. And then with the shrimp tacos, I'm either going to do rice or some kind of veggie. I don't know. I'll figure that out, but that's going to be the main component. One night, I'm going to do some Asian chicken meatballs. I have some ground chicken that I need to use up. I believe it's like a pound or a pound and a half. So I'm going to do like an Asian style meatball, like with a hoisin sauce. And then I'm going to make the red cabbage slaw with that I talked about in the grocery haul, which is red cabbage, carrot, green onion. It's got ginger. I'll probably share a clip of that as well on in a future What's for Dinner video. And then I will do a sticky rice with the meatballs and the red cabbage slaw. I'm actually really looking forward to that dinner. This Sunday coming up is football food. I'm pretty sure we're going to be gone most of the day with my parents. We're going up to a fall festival up north in the mountains with my son. So more than likely, it'll just be like a throw it together and figure it out type of thing when we get home that evening, because we like to watch football. Sometimes neighbors or friends come over. So I'll just kind of figure it out, guys. I have things I can pull together or make appetizer wise. Justin's birthday his actual birthday is coming up. So I'm pretty sure we're going to do steaks on the grill, baked potatoes, salad, and veggies. I did not get the steak today because I have to make sure that's what he wants for his birthday. If you are curious, because I've had a few people ask who was Justin, he is my husband's childhood best friend. They've been best friends since they were literally 5, and they are both 36 now. And Justin has become one of my best friends the past 15 years that I've been with my husband. He comes over probably once or twice a week. He lives very close to us, so he comes over for dinner once or twice a week. So when you guys hear me mention Justin's plate in a What's for Dinner video, now you know. So anyways, I have the potatoes, the salad, the veggies. I just have to make sure he wants steak. If not, he'd probably pick ribs, so one or the other. And then of course my freebie night where I can do breakfast, I can do leftovers, I can do whatever I want. I just like to have that free reign one night of the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's grocery haul and meal plan. Down in the description box, there's going to be a ton of videos, all the recipes that I mentioned, crock pot recipes I will put pasta bake recipes, and as always, I will have the full review I have for this Carrie Al meal planner. Anyways, guys, have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.